Hello my dear viewers, welcome back on English Community YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. This is Kishor here with one more interesting video. If you are still getting puzzled in between the verbs see, look and watch, so this is the video for you. So just be relaxed and stay tuned this video till the end. While talking about the verb see, look and watch, we could simply say that there are a difference related to our action and attention. Let's start with the first verb, see. See means to notice or become aware of someone or something by using our eyes. If you are not observing anything intentionally, there you could use verb see. For example, I see a cat in the window. I see that motorcycle on the road. In this example, cat and motorcycle are an object, but sometimes there are sentences which don't have an object. There you could use the verb see. For example, let's see what will going to happen. In short, if you are not observing anything intentionally or you are talking about some imaginary thing, you could use verb see. Okay, let's move to the next verb, look. When you look at someone or something, you simply direct your eyes at that person or thing. It can be for a short time and might not involve much thought. In classroom, teacher always say that, student, look at me, look at the picture and solve the following questions. Couple of times we have experience with such kind of questions in exams. Alright, let's come to last verb, watch. If you're observing someone or something with full of attention for a period of time, there you could use verb watch. For example, at a coffee shop, a friend may say, I'm going outside for a minute. Would you please watch on my bag? Here, the friend wants you to pay attention to that bag for a period of time. Films, performance, games and people, all are things you can watch. Alright, now it's my turn to use this verb. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Please click on the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe the English Community channel. I'll be back soon with another interesting video. Till then, take care, keep trying, be safe and happy learning.